So we already talked about the package log.json file. Now let's do one thing. Let's move one step forward and see what this sign means and how NPM decide to upgrade the package to the latest version, right? Right now we have seen that we have added this particular symbol out here, right? Let me tell you how it works. Let me go to here. So there are three methods that you can write of a package in package.json, right? One is this particular symbol, which after that you give this version, right? Any version. Second thing is you can use this tilde sign that is just over your tab and you can give your version type. Last one, you can hard code your version without this particular sign right there, right? So there are three methods. One is this particular method. We have already seen it upgrades the patch version as well as the minor version, right? This thing, patch version, minor version, major version, we have already talked about in the previous video. If you haven't watched that, do consider watching that first and then coming this to understand it better, right? It upgrades the patch version and minor version as well, right? So you can, NPM can do anything like this. It cannot upgrade the major version, but it can upgrade the patch version, that is this particular minor and this particular patch version, right? So we have seen that, like, you know, for example 4.5.3 is there, so you can upgrade it to, if there is a latest version available, for example 4.7.3, it can upgrade and it can do so, right? Now let's talk about the second one. It can upgrade only the minor version. Oh, sorry, it can only upgrade the patch version, right? So it can do something like 5.x. So x can vary. So it can upgrade something like 4.5.2. If there is the latest version available, 4.5.3, it can free to do so. It can change this, right? And the last one, where we don't mention any symbol before the dependency, it can't do anything. No change. It will bring the dependency as it is. It can bring the dependency as it is. Now let's understand the importance of this, right? So for example, as a developer, I'm consuming a package, right? And I can upgrade this to this, right? And depending on the semantic versioning, it tells that there is a change in patch version, there is change in the minor version. So it doesn't have the breaking API change. It can have bug fixes, it can have patch bug fixes, right? But it can change the API, previous API. But many developers doesn't follow the semantic versioning. What they do the breaking change, but they don't upgrade the major version, but they upgrade the patch version. So NPM thinks there is a patch version upgrade, but like, you know, it's semantic followed. So let's update the package. There will be no breaking change, but it breaks your project at the end. So make sure that if you're developing a package, make sure that you follow the semantic version. It is very, very important, but it is yet exploited one, right? Let's see this thing in running in code, right? In the package.json. So let's see, we have already seen that it upgrades two versions at once, but let's see the, you know, one version upgrade. For example, let's say I go to, let me remove this all first. Let me remove this all. We will take you know, moment example. This already explored a lot. So let me take moment, our version, and let go to find the latest version of moment, that is 2.29.4, and go to this particular package.json and upgrade it there, right? Now let me remove this, delete this, and let me delete this package log.json file as well, right? Now if I do npmi, you might have already guessed what it will do, right? What it will do. But let's do one thing. Let's go to this particular version change, and right now, as we are told, if this is the symbol, it can upgrade this minor as well as patch, right? So right now it is 229. So let's go ahead and take this particular version. So since this sign is there, this particular upside down V, I don't know what is called exactly, I forgot the name, but let's consider this symbol is there, and it can upgrade this particular package and this particular version as well, right? So it will do so. Let me do npm I. It will go to the registry, search for the package, bring the latest package, even it doesn't update here. And if I go to moments package.json, it will have the latest version, that is 2.29.4, right? Now let's follow the same thing again. Let me remove everything. Let me remove this as well. Now let me clear this a bit, and let me do one thing, right? Now I move to this particular symbol, right? I move to this particular symbol, which is a tilde symbol that is just above that is just above the tab key, right? I move to this tilde symbol. Now once you move to tilde symbol, we have already seen what it does. It just can upgrade the patch version, right? So it can upgrade this version. So let's go to the directory. So if you write this, what is the latest upgrade to this particular? There is no directly, there is 2.29, right? So let's take this one, and based on the guessing, it will change this. It can change this last minor version, so it will go ahead and take this particular version, right? Let me go ahead and put that up. So latest version is 229.4 and this is 2.29.4, right? So since there is a tilde sign, it can upgrade the last one as well, right? So let me take another example. So let me take this one. So we understand that it is not changing the minor version as well. So the latest one is on this 2.25.123. 2.25.3 is the latest one, but we'll take the older one, that is 2.25.1. Let me type it manually, right? So we have taken this version. It should upgrade to this version because we have tilde sign. It will not upgrade the minor version. It will only upgrade the patch version. Let me go ahead and type npm I and wait for some time. Yep, it does. It has some security warnings or vulnerabilities that we'll ignore for this time, right? So if I go to package.json, you'll find that this is the version we brought. But if you go to the moment and package.json, you'll find that this upgrades this particular last thing to latest version, right? Again, semantic meaning concepts out here, right? Now let's follow the last one. Let's say if I go ahead and don't do anything, right? Can you guess like which one it will follow? Yep, we have already discussed this. Let me delete it, and this will follow the last one. There will be no change, and it will bring the exact version as 2.25.1, right? And go ahead and do npm I, and we'll get to see how this work. And if you see this as this one, and now if you go to package.json of moment, you'll find that the same version is brought. It doesn't upgrade the thing, right? I hope it is clear. And if you go to package log.json file, you'll find that the same version exists out here as well, right? Same version exists out here as well. So package.json maintains the same version as node modules and lot of things to maintain the package it consists as well, right? I hope this is clear how this package upgradation version work. And if you have any doubt, just put that in the comment section. I'll happy to answer that. With that, thanks for watching this video. If these videos are providing any value, any knowledge to you, consider subscribing to the channel and supporting. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I'll see you next time.